Continuing our discussion on RCM, that is reverse charge mechanism, we were saying that on certain services, the liability to pay GST is on the recipient of service. In today's class, let us discuss one more such service in which the liability to pay GST is on the recipient of service. That is, service by arbitral tribunal to a business entity. First, let me tell you who are this arbitral tribunal. Normally, if there is a dispute between business entities, rather than directly going to court, they go to arbitrators. Now the question comes, why? You may all know that going to court, it may take years and years to solve a simple case. Along with that, you have to spend huge amount of money on your case. So instead of going to court, the parties to the contract, they will agree that let us not go to court. Instead, let us appoint a person called as arbitrator. And if there is any dispute, we will go to him and he will solve this case for us. So this will be very quick and economical. Let us take an example to understand this. Say there is a partnership firm and there are three partners, Amar, Akbar and Anthony. In a partnership deed they wrote that in case tomorrow if there is any dispute between us, instead of directly going to court, let us appoint this person as arbitrator and he will solve our case. So in this case, what is happening? Arbitrator is providing a service to the business entity, right? In this case, arbitrator is providing service to a business entity. In this scenario, the business entity should pay GST under reverse charge mechanism. On the other hand, let us say arbitral tribunal is providing services to other than business entity. Say there is a dispute between a landlord and a tenant. There is a landlord and there is a tenant and there is a fight between them. And to solve that fight, instead of going to court, they go to a arbitrator. In this scenario, arbitrator is providing service to landlord and tenant, but this is not covered under reverse charge mechanism. Only if arbitral tribunal is providing services to business entity, then it is covered under reverse charge mechanism. Now let us continue our example. There are three partners, that is Amar, Akbar and Anthony, who decided that if tomorrow there is a fight, let us go to arbitral tribunal instead of going to court. And tomorrow there is a fight between these three partners. Now they go to arbitrator. And arbitrator charges them a fees of say rupees 10 lakh. He charges a fees of 10 lakh. Now on this 10 lakh rupees, GST has to be paid. Now GST, this partnership firm should directly pay to the government. That is what reverse charge mechanism is all about. Now arbitrator won't collect GST from this business entity. Instead of that, business entity should directly pay GST to the government. I hope this entire thing is clear to you. What it says, if arbitral tribunal is providing service to a business entity, then liability to pay GST is on the business entity.